It's Miss Kodiker. I'm so excited to do today's music activities with you. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get a little friend. I've got my Hello Kitty ukulele cat. So get your little toy or something that you can keep the beat with. And you know what? You're going to need two little toys today. So one for this activity we're about to do, and then you're going to need two little friends that are going to talk to each other later. So go ahead and pause this video. Go ahead and get your two little buddies. All right, hopefully you have your two little buddies. I'm going to use my Hello Kitty, and then I'll bring my other buddy in later. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to show me how to keep the beat with your buddy. I'm going to be switching my places that I'm keeping the beat, and then I'm going to make it flow. And then I'm going to keep the beat. So make sure that you're following me with the song called Popcorn. Here we go. Flow. Gonna keep the beat. Flip your hand. Do you hear that tambourine? We're going on the tambourine. Oh, shoulder. Now to your elbow. Ooh, how about your wrist next? Ready, go. Make it flow. Floating through the air. Switch hands. Good job. Did you switch hands? Flip. Shoulder. Head. Elbow. Ooh! Oh, awesome job, friends. Keeping the beat with our beat buddy for the song Popcorn. We were keeping the beat, and then we were moving with flow at different times of the song. All right. Next, we're going to see a couple friends that I think you might know. We've got Charlie, and we have Terry. Charlie? Hello, and Terry. Hey, everybody. Wow, we've got both of my friends today. I'm going to teach you a song about Charlie and Terry. And I don't know if you knew this, but they are mothers. So our song is called My Mother, Your Mother. My mother, your mother live across the way. Every night they have a chat, and this is what they say. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Did you hear that their patterns were different? Let's hear that again. My mother, your mother live across the way. Every night they have a chat, and this is what they say. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, ba, blah, blah, blah. Again, the pattern was different. I wonder if Charlie does one. Can you do one for Terry out loud that's different than Charlie's? Let's try it. My mother, your mother live across the way. Every night they have a chat, and this is what they say. Listen to Charlie doing a different one for Terry. Ba, 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 ba. Nice job. Okay, Charlie's going to do another one. Let's see if you can do different for Terry. Ba, 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 ba. Wow, I could hear you. You did a great job. Okay, now here's your challenge for the week. For my mother, your mother, you're going to have your two friends or your beat, can take your beat buddy and do another friend with your beat buddy. But I want to hear you do patterns that are different from one another. So if one buddy does one pattern, you have to make sure that the other pattern is, say it with me, different. So on your seesaw, I want you to do a video. And remember, our song goes like this. My mother, your mother live across the way. Every night they have a chat, and this is what they say. And then you're going to make your buddies talk to each other in a different pattern. Okay? So I want to see on your seesaw your two buddies talking to each other, saying bapa words that are different. All right, friends, can't wait to see your videos and your pictures. Have a great week, and I'll see you later.